Hello everyone, welcome back to your YouTube channel Window Skills, the place where we explore the latest and coolest tech in the world of electronics and technology. And I am your friend Vinay Joshi. Today's video is all about to build a project, and I named this project a magical keyboard. Magical keyboard, you can program it by using Arduino programming using C++ libraries, and the part we are using to build this project are Pro Micro Microcontroller, keyboard keys, 3D printer FDM1, and Arduino IDE so that we can program this magical keyboard as you want to do. So let's get started. And yep, you can find the width, and this is the part. Then I have second part is a controller box, which is used for a controller. This is for charging socket, or you can set it up in. So I have created this one as well. I 3D print this with under 3 S1 Pro, but yeah, these are the STL file, and this is the full assembly of the box. You can find on my profile as well. Yep. Let me know. I mean, this is not a full optimized box. You can say that it's an. I just created it for to fit all the items within the project within the box, and can shoulder them, can connect them with the 6 keys. But yeah, I'll in future will modify it and optimize it and design it more good way. Thank you. The printing of my controller box and key shell as well, and you can see it take at least 6 hours to build this one, but yeah, we can optimize that thing as well. So let's solder it with the wires so that we can connect all the keys with our microcontroller. And I do ground versus main pin so that we can send the signal to the laptop, program it. And here we are. I am soldering the Pro Microcontroller with the chip diagram. I can share with you how you can connect these wires with pins. Okay, and here is it's connected with my laptop so that I can program it. I can keep a programming thing. I also share all the code within the video, and as well as the GitHub repository. We'll discuss those later. And here is the code, and let's see how it's going, or it's working or not. Two. Up. Yeah, so keys are working fine. Pressing up is up, pressing down it's going down. These syntax as it is, otherwise it will not work. And first, don't forget to add a keyboard library over the Arduino, otherwise this keyboard will, keys or code will not work. Let's show the final product demonstration to you and how it will be looking in the end after printing all the keys and the box as well. Here is the final product. So thank you for joining, friends, and please follow me, subscribe me for more projects. Love you all. Thank you for joining.